everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I really wanted to bring everything together to talk to you guys about a beginner's guide to healing your eczema. So I've been making videos for over a year now and I have dozens of videos up. And sometimes I feel like it can be hard for someone to watch all of my videos or enough of my videos to really understand the essentials for healing your eczema. So I wanted to just bring everything together and give you a consensus so you can start healing your eczema. So here we go. So the very first thing you should do to start healing your eczema is to change your diet. So if you've watched any of my videos, you pretty much know that my philosophy is to heal eczema naturally. And there's a lot of people out there with a bunch of different diets, but there is a basis for how to heal your eczema. So the very base of it is eliminating things that will further the inflammation. So you're going to eliminate fridge foods. F-R-E-D-G, fridge. So fried foods, refined sugar, eggs, dairy, gluten. So that's the basis of healing. Eliminate those things out of your diet and you should see small bits of improvement. So one big thing that you have to know about eczema is that a lot of times it gets worse before it gets better. And I know this is very confusing, but it's kind of the body's way of detoxing. So for example, if you have an eczema flare-up the size of a quarter, in the healing process, it'll probably get much, much larger first before it heals. And this is just your body repairing and it's totally normal. So some of the signs of healing is very flaky, dry skin, and sometimes your skin can look wrinkled, almost like elephant skin or like you're a very old person. The second step to healing your eczema is to detox your home. And by that I mean you need to understand that there's a lot of toxic chemicals that are put into your shampoo, your makeup, your dishwashing detergent, your laundry detergent. You need to detox all of these things. And that means you need to get rid of what is not good for you. So you need to switch all of your things from antibacterial soap to Castile soap. I have a lot of different shampoos and conditioners. If you go onto my Instagram, @MichelleMills_, I've been starting to post some clean products. So you want to just type into Google like clean soap or clean ingredient soap or non-toxic soap, non-toxic laundry detergent, non-toxic dishwashing detergent, and this is critical. Going along with that, you may have watched one of my videos where I talk about toxic water and the impacts of that on eczema. So my suggestion was to get a filter so that you're not ingesting highly toxic chemicals into your water. And after I made that video, I had a lot of people come and comment to me and say that after they switched to filtered water, they actually saw a lot of improvement. The third step is to introduce critical supplements into your diet. Probiotics and vitamin D. And if you've talked to me at all as a person, you know I've probably tried to get you to do this. All people need to take probiotics and vitamin D. We are not getting enough vitamin D from the sun, especially because a lot of us work in offices all day long. And probiotics are amazing. You can ingest probiotics by eating coconut yogurt, cashew yogurt, sauerkraut. There's a lot of different things that naturally have probiotics in them. Miso soup is another example. So make sure you're getting probiotics and vitamin D. The fourth step to healing your eczema is to manage your stress. Stress can be a huge factor of your skin. So let's say you've been healing, your diet's perfect, you know what you're doing, and then all of a sudden you get this massive flare-up. And you're like, what happened? Try to think about if you were stressed out during that time. So were you taking a test at school? Did work suddenly get very hard? What's going on in your life that may have caused you stress? Even though you don't mentally feel stress, think about things that might put stress into your life and create a relaxation routine. So your relaxation routine might be taking a sea salt bath. So basically you get Epsom salts or Dead Sea salt, put it in your bath. Or you can do a face mask, you can read a book, you can take a nap, you can lay down, you can go for a walk. Just make sure that you're getting your relaxation in. Number 5, my very last step into healing your eczema is to make sure you're getting enough sleep. Try to get 8 to 10 hours of sleep, and if you have a busy schedule, you have to prioritize your health. Figure out how you can get your sleep. If you have projects in school, maybe you need to take a semester off, or you need to take one less class so that you can sleep. Sleep is the way you heal. So if you're not sleeping, you're not seeing your skin heal. A lot of healing happens while you're asleep. Your body goes into repair mode and fixes your skin. So a lot of times if you have a bad flare-up, you go to bed and you wake up, your skin's probably going to look a lot better. So make sure you're getting your sleep. Make sure you relax before you go to sleep. You can put lavender essential oils right here or on your pillow. You can spray a little on your pillow. You can use a diffuser in your room. Just make sure that you're getting that good sleep. A supplement that helps aid in sleep is glycine, and it also helps repair leaky gut. So this is a super quick video. I just wanted to jump in and bring everything together because I know sometimes it can be confusing. There's a lot of people out there saying a lot of different things about eczema, and just start with those steps, and from there, if you need extra help, I do have a 6-week-long program where I give you an in-depth diet. Each week of the 6 weeks, there's videos for you to watch. There's 2 ebooks. You learn exactly what eczema is, exactly how to use the diet to heal it. The diet has been designed to heal leaky gut, detox the liver, and balance your immune system. So if you need help with that, go to coachmichellemills.com and you'll find the link. It's a 6-week-long program, and I hope to see you there. And I have a Facebook support group. If you type in Healthy Skin, Happy Living on Facebook, that's my group. We have 200 people right now. We talk almost daily, different subjects, and it's awesome. We're a community. So I will see you guys in my next video.
I like crashing waves.